Hi, I'm Brad from T.CON, and today we're going to take a look at various different aspects of our product MES CAT, our manufacturing execution system. So let's get started. So here, if you take a look at the screen, what you'll see is actually how you get started. Here's the launch pad for MES CAT. So for those of you that are familiar, it comes across familiar as a SAP FIORI Launchpad. But for those that don't know, it's basically a user-friendly interface in order to access various different applications of our MES solution. So here you can see various different tiles. So here we have one, for example, for a paper machine. You can see there's actually for the same paper machine, a different type of tile here where you can actually see what is currently going on that work center. So what is being produced, some KPIs, as well as how far we are along on the production order. This is also extremely useful, so you can do drag and drop like you would know, kind of like as any smartphone or tablet. This can also be used for on touch enabled devices. So if you have a tablet or a touch screen or a computer with a touch screen, you can use this here as well. You can also have favorites at top. So if you have a certain user, it also needs to be said this is the super user view. So if you have a work center where they are only able to access the paper machine, that would most likely be the only application available to them. So they would only be able to open the PM1 in this case, where you may have a couple applications available for someone, for example, a shift supervisor, and for a super user or admin from IT, they would have access to everything. And that's based on user access rights when you log in. So this is just an indication of how the look and feel is when you get into the application. In future videos, we'll go into more specific functionality of MES CAT. Thank you for your time. Bye.